Today, we're excited to show you a game-changing feature designed to make test automation easier, faster, and smarter with the Record and Play feature. This powerful capability lets you instantly record your actions, generate automated test steps, and seamlessly link everything back into Zephyr with no coding required. You can start by creating a new test case, giving it a title, then switch the creation mode to Create and Record. Click on Create and Record, enter your application's URL, and choose the device profile. In this example, we're using a sample e-commerce application, and then I'll just click Record Steps to launch the Reflect interface, which is another SmartBear tool that is natively integrated with Zephyr to provide these AI capabilities. From here, every interaction you make, like clicks, typing, or navigation, is automatically captured as test steps, as you can see here on the left-hand panel. As you interact with the application, your actions are recorded in real time, like adding a product to cart and clicking the checkout button. Once you're done, click Save, and your steps are sent directly back to your test case in Zephyr. Now your test case is fully updated, and you can even add more steps manually or even re-record or re-execute as needed. You can rerun your test to check the status of its automated version and determine whether a test case passed or not. However, to execute a test case so that the results are reflected in Zephyr, you need to add it to a test cycle first. Once added, you can run the automation through the test cycle, and the results will be pushed back directly into Zephyr. You'll see a list of runs in order to see the status of the automation execution, and you can just click Run Test. This is a test run that is directly linked to your test cycle, and the results to this specific execution will be reported back into Zephyr. Once that is all set, I will refresh my page. Here you can see the test case result has been updated to a passed status. If you go back into the test case itself, then the execution results will be displayed via the Execution tab. That's Zephyr's Record and Play, a fast and easy way to build, run, and review automated tests. This demonstrates the full flow from recording to execution, all without writing a single line of code. You'll be able to review the recorded steps and verify that each interaction was accurately captured, and this provides both traceability and visibility into the automated workflow. Try it out and streamline your testing today.